I found this week a little bit more challenging than the other weeks, just personally for how I felt,
Yeah.
but it was good.
Did you lose any weight?
I did. I lost 3 pounds in 1 week.
In 1 week, last week, and overall, how much weight you lose?
9 pounds in total.
In 4 weeks.
Yes.
Wow, that's really good. Like, did you find it challenging or?
Up until last week, not really. But last week, as much as it was challenging, it was easier than what I thought it could be.
Yeah. And what are the major changes you made to your lifestyle so far? Can you share 1 or 2?
It's the fasting,
Fasting?
100%.
Did you find it like very challenging? You know, when you're starving and hungry and.
Not really. That's why this week, a little bit more of the hunger, but it was really amazing because then if you just push through it, then the hunger wasn't there.
Yeah.
But I felt, for the most part, I felt pretty good. There were some days that I didn't, but
Yeah.
it was easier, kind of, now that I look back, it was easier to do than what I thought.
So it wasn't challenging like the way people think when they hear the word fasting.
Yeah.
Like
No,
they think a negative way right away, right?
Yes,
Like,
and I kind of did too. I
Yeah.
had kind of some preconceived ideas and thoughts about that.
Yeah.
But after doing it, it's a huge key in
That-
my personal weight
That's
loss.
right. That's what has way too many health benefits, right? And it's not that difficult.
Yes.
And did you make any other changes to your lifestyle besides fasting?
Just cutting out some of the main things that
Yeah.
are not good for anybody.
Yes.
Yeah, which has been a little bit
Yeah.
challenging, but
Yeah.
I'm obviously can live
It takes
without
time for sure. Like
Yeah.
you cannot change your
Yeah.
like your lifestyle 100% overnight
Yeah.
for sure, right?
Yeah, but my eating habits, like, it's interesting. I'm sort of eating the same as what I did before because I was eating quite well.
Yeah.
But I'm eating them differently.
Different way. Yeah. That's
And
right. Yeah.
I'm losing weight, so
Excellent.
I'm really, really, really happy
Very
about
good.
that.
Excellent. Yeah. So thank you so much, and I look forward to have a follow-up interview with you next week.